Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. Today I will be showing you how I make this yummy and delicious puff puff. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Uh, yeah, uh, yeah, uh, yeah.
First thing I'll be doing is to add 2 cups of flour into my bowl, and next I'll go ahead to add some 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I'll go ahead to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'll be adding half cup of sugar. You can use white sugar or you can use honey instead, but I prefer this one. Now I'll go ahead to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I'll give everything a mix. After mixing everything together, go ahead and make a hole in the middle and then add your plain yogurt. Now this is the magic. I'll be using white plain yogurt, meaning no sugar was added. If your yogurt is of sugar, you can still use it as well. But remember to reduce the extra sugar you will be adding into your flour. I'll be measuring 2 cups of yogurt into the flour as well. Don't forget we are making 2 cups of flour, so we are doing equal ratio of both the flour and yogurt. Once you add this, you are going to mix this well. Mix it and mix it. After mixing it, we'll go straight ahead to fry the puff puff. No need for us to cover it in order for it to rise. Okay. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. And if you know you have watched up to this point, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead to subscribe. Do not forget to share this video, like. Thank you. And for my old subscribers, thank you for always returning to watch my videos. And for my new subscribers, thank you. You will enjoy it here. After mixing it, I will be frying straight away. On my gas cooker, I have my pot with oil, which have been heating for some time now. I'll go ahead to start scooping those batter into the oil. And when fry this, you have to do this on a low medium heat. I'll fry one side for 2 to 3 minutes on a low medium heat to please, and then I'll go ahead to flip the side that I've cooked already up with my skewer, and thereafter I'll go ahead to take this off the gas cooker. This puff is so easy to put together. Thank you guys for watching my video up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Now that it's ready, I'll go ahead to scoop this out of the oil, and then I will show you the rest of the video. And guys, our puff puff is ready. It was so easy to put together, and this was so yummy and delicious. Will you be trying this? And if you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe, share. Thank you. See you in my next video, and keep eating good food. Bye.